John.
Okay, this is what happens after 5. What are you doing?
I'll be up with you here in a minute.
Wait, okay. I gotta hide.
Oh,
Wait, I'm unarmed. Don't get me. You got him? Where's Sin?
Sin left. He said, I'm out of here. No. Sin went to go get his gun.
Did he? Does he have one?
That go in
Have
here?
one?
No.
You shoot that?
No, whatever.
Get him while he's down. Get him while he's down.
Oh, Jeff.
Sin's got a very little gun.
Yeah. Oh my god.
You guys are like...
Did you lose it?
Yeah.
There's one.
Oh, you didn't catch it. Don't get me. I'm just a bartender. You got my head. Oh my god.
Oh, man, that was close.
Come on.
Oh.
Oh. Who's got my gun? Wait, why is...
There's your gun.
Get him, cat. Do it for us. Oh, man.
She's got nothing.
Oh, you got it right in the head. Oh my gosh.
You're hurting my face.
That hit him right in his head.
Oh, that was great.
Cat.
By your mouse. By your mouse. By your mouse.
They're right here.
Hey, you can't just... Matter of fact, I'm gonna...
Can you fucking give me a bullet?
He's breathing awful heavy.
No, don't!
My shield protected me.
I know, I need a shield. Shield.
Where the hell go?
Where are the other ones? Oh my god.
I'm gonna leave the kids. They cold out.